Hi, it's nice to see you again in my new video. This is another episode of my tricky behind-the-scenes movie series. And in this episode, I'm gonna take you to the Nightshot light trail panorama once again. As we know that for that environment, we should try to shoot them again and again to improve our photographic skills. I have implemented a new mount for my electrical bicycle that could finally help me to capture this very interesting night panorama with a brand new viewpoint. My name is Yuqing, a 360 photographer lover and specialized in one-shot 360 photography. If you want to start over and master a one-shot 360 camera beyond professional, this channel was made for you. Okay, now let me run this BTS movie for you. Today, I have made a modification on the camera mount. So as you can see in my last video, I will show you the link here. If you put the camera horizontally across the street, across the bike, it's still a little bit shaky. Okay, now let me show you my new setup. As you can see, I put this is my THETA Z1, and this is my new setup. I put a clamp to the bike, and there are two. There's a magic hand. I use the two magic hands to put, and this is Insta360 short selfie stick. I put them all together so when I'm driving on the road, on a flat road, it will be much more. Okay, now let me show you my setup. THETA Z1 dual fisheye plugin, DNG burst 9 with 10-second countdown timer. And the burst mode is THETA Z1. We shoot at a constant ISO 64. And an aperture wide open by default because I didn't use the remote control app. Personally speaking, I need ISO 64 and aperture wide open f2.1 to give me about 1 second exposure time. And 1 second exposure time with a combination of my electrical bicycle is a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. And in this intersection here, that will give me the best possible night shot with this setup. Now I'm waiting for the green light, and once the light turns green, I will press the shutter button. That will give me a 10-second countdown and a measurement of the exposure. And after around maybe 12 seconds, it will start shooting in burst mode with a exposure time around 1 second. 9 burst shot has been complete. It's just right. As you can see, I didn't write really fast. This is not the end of the video, because I also carried the QooCam 8K this time, and the QooCam 8K has a DNG8 shooting mode, which is the burst mode. The burst rate is much faster than the Ricoh THETA Z1, and the DNG8 with 1 second exposure and the light preview will make this shooting a lot easier compared with the Ricoh THETA Z1. The QooCam 8K could take the shot so fast that it is very important for us to set the countdown timer and release the shutter button at the moment that is just right. In the light preview, you can see the screen is much better than the Z1. And I will go to this DNG8 shooting mode with the menu mode because I want the longest exposure. 1 second. With ISO 100, yes, you can see it's still very good. Self timer I will set to 10 seconds. And now I will take another shot with QooCam 8K. Now I'm waiting in the line for the green light again, and if the light turns green, I will press the shutter button and start shooting. This time with 8 shots in a sequence. I need to write faster this time to capture the best light trails. And DNG8 shot, yeah, the light is green right now. Let's press the shutter and write faster. Yeah, Do you hear the sound? With the DNG8 1 second exposure, the total exposure time is around 8 seconds. I think we are just right. Maybe at the third or the fourth shot in the sequence, I might get the best shot, and I'm looking forward to see that. Okay, to wrap up for this video, as you can see, I have shared with you every detail in the shooting and mounting system behind this Nightshot light trail panorama on my way back home across the road. And it's very easy and it's very tricky. I will keep constantly update the BTS movie series to share more of my creating stories with you and help you to create amazing content in your own lives. If you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.